DNA replication is like a careful copy-pasting process that happens inside our cells, ensuring that important genetic information is passed on accurately when cells divide. Imagine DNA as a twisted ladder, and each step of the ladder is made up of pairs of letters, A with T and G with C. When a cell needs to make a copy of its DNA, it starts by unzipping this ladder at a specific point, creating a sort of bubble where the two sides are separated. In this process, special starter molecules called RNA primers are added, giving the green light for the creation of new DNA. Enzymes then join in, building new DNA strands along the separated halves. One strand is made continuously, like a smooth ride on a highway or a leading strand, while the other is a bit bumpy, made in small sections, or a lagging strand. What's cool is that the cell has a proofreading system in place. It's like having a keen-eyed editor. If a mistake is made during the copying, like a wrong letter, it gets fixed on the spot. This ensures that the new DNA is an accurate and faithful copy of the original. A team of proteins, including helicases, keeps the DNA strands apart. Single-stranded binding proteins prevent them from sticking back together, and topoisomerases handle any twists and turns. It's like a well-choreographed dance to make sure everything goes smoothly. And here's an interesting twist. DNA replication isn't just about making copies for cell division. It's also involved in repairing damaged DNA. If there's a problem with the genetic instructions, the cell has a repair crew ready to fix it. There are even checkpoints that act like traffic lights, stopping the process if something seems off until it's sorted. At the end of this molecular dance, you have two identical sets of DNA, ready to go into the new cells that are formed during cell division. This duplication is crucial. It's how our bodies grow, repair, and maintain themselves. Scientists use this knowledge in labs for something called PCR, or polymerase chain reaction, a tool that helps them study and manipulate DNA, opening doors to advancements in medicine, genetics, and biotechnology. So, in simpler terms, DNA replication is like a highly organized and accurate photocopying process happening inside our cells, ensuring that the genetic manual for building and maintaining our bodies is passed down correctly from one generation of cells to the next. It's a fascinating dance of molecules that keeps life going. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.